Ní léon ar nó chaanta mí tris Craobh Peile Laighean a bhuachan do bhú Domhnach siarsta bliain chabil dó. Défá gurta hart an tréimh sé idir an dá laing, ach an mbliana búidir Craobh an chaantaid an chiaúir le breis a scór bliain, an aireochtla Craobh Laighean a chuir leis. San Iarmhí ha 8 Craobh as an éon Craobh déag déní bút Naomh Lomán, ach é sin rát ní le chéon chlé cenis Laighean Riste chu, siarsta bliain chabil seachtteag. An aireochtla Craobh chuige chuir lena gcuid. Má darmat annacha a hamon tráachta báir a héin do Craobh Peile Laighean AIB.
Tá trí ahur dentig Domhnach Seachnaill, Peiridigh filín na lán chúil, by Darrell McKennagh's Ben Duggan at Hussey Hope. By the Zool Guihe Charlie O'Connor's Conor Gray, Love and Wachter, Lor Schlee. Tossin Aaron Murphy's Lina Lon Tossach, Tivlish Nimber Conde, Matthew Costello. Ho ahur the dentig Naomh Loman, by Kelvin Riley, Gimmer to Lina Lachul, Oxfola Iorindi, Lorna Parke. Sir John Heston and Lon Tossach, and Captain, August Canner in the Fornisha. Naomh Loman, Currin the Iarmhí is the Ganza Hagorma. An Vigs in Iarmhí, Corson, agus Naomh Ditara, show the Fola Iorindi, and Ruhurdig Fola, Chansiger score, the Lenny Kittog, Pulsiger Jessica, Nira Shandan's Tossi, Hossa Shevs, Takoli Nege. Kick Machtish Gudian Lor, it's in Shelf, Butza, Rishella, Naomh Loman. Piece of Jasko Himmer and Shahanish, to the Sam McCartan, Ilin Gehrig, Sam Tortfin score, Shannon scoring, Sam McCartan. On to score, Killa Corsi and Shaw. Past Traston Torka. So Fotchik Sam McCartan Arish. Last score Shachanish, then La Hossach Lord, Ronan O'Toole, Ronan Acosta, Lenny Kitto, Bro. Scoffanta, Peter Roes, Kigatrosha. Carachul into the Fornia, Agus. In a Hirschfree Achquil and Forest Portion tilts at the court or in shot. In a go Bart Halchan at a shot, Vachwadnis Bukermach, Domhnach Seachnaill or an unut shot, now Marvech, Naomh Loman, Naomh Loman a Chachtarish, so that Johnny McCartan a bull ord, Agus Johnny McCartan are a Traston, Colin Agus, either Craobh or Lord Jack Ruchty. Kick him up more shin, so she doesn't Laighean Ella. Fechant and Federer, Domhnach Seachnaill, Bagnin Shelva all. Forting La Hossach Laurichin. Can't you call right? Should that Niall Burnanish, Ruher Mahig Niall, Lana Treed, Pascal Mahiga. Forting Matthew Costello, O'Neill, Jimmy Harris, Nisha Forting Matthew Costello, Chanter Coolbedger, Costello Traston, no, Aaron Murphy, and Odgard, Lenny Kittog, August and Cool, Erdjera, scores like Domhnach Seachnaill. It's Bejagura Erupt. Matthew Costello, Imi Haran Lena, Agus Kuma, Ton Cool Scorilse, as Visha Tastal. Shedavarish, Naomh Loman, Nishuza, well, Dragger Shield, on Cool, a Coolin dog at Hain, so she had foes, Keracholin, Hunkeen, and Chop. The Gabriel Lear, the Glushu, the Aston Chonish, you can see the Chacht, Unseat, Ton Shedava Chonish, Ikfola Iorindi. Ruher Mahig Fola to dinner Bultiga, Tandar the Gulchik, Dasha Reader a goal, against Ton Cole, Scorelta, Ega, and Chen, Fola Iorindi, the Oberlid Dena Ega, through the Bula Ega, Riddish, Branham with the Reach, Bin and Kid, didn't Lancha Ryan, Chen, August Flesh, Sharid, and Chen Cossendor Ella, Husha Harish, August Wash, as the Leone. Jaharish, August Ta, Corin Iarmhí, a Janice Chris, and Shaw. Shella Fosaka Rashidi, Fola Rish, Pizza, Slash came, Das, August Lenny Kittog, our trust on Dara score, Fotiga Lenny Kittog. Barna Moore Atra. Nish on Fader let Domhnach Seachnaill, Chachtarash. Dashan Johanish, Conor Donoghue, Bulta, Erdjera, Kieran McCarrick. August Bulta Hara Trasnon. By Watney's Bujif, Jenna Taston. Naomh Loman Rishes to shit, Foidich, Agus, the Shachkul in Etrux, Bulchat Zacker, Fuga Trosha, Balacharash, Ekol, and Chotanish, Domhnach Seachnaill. Shelfarishik, Firn the Iarmhí, and Pascal Shachsha there, Johnny McCartan, Dosha Gimmers, come on, Johnny, but Ega, Lenny Kittog, August Jensen of Firn, Yapel Gabin Shin, Kegolam Fontan Johagan, Tom Forestpur Rowa, Tom Naomh Loman, Gimmers Rowa. Donaish and Cuideag, the hand of the Cuid, dead goal into the forward. Well, ain't chance. Domhnach Seachnaill, Chachtarash and Chop. Passion Corristeach. Pasha a Kieran McCarrick, agus tá Darda score a Kieran McCarrick. Éfutach nar hagantar na hunsa. Loman a teachta ríist. Rúdína cantar ríide can fí Craobh, Laighean can fí Nástarí agus fí Hóla agus mar seach tá mé rolas bei. Má hagan leibh Loman rí treo bei siad nó maíocht agus sin can búlteach Sean Flanagan í búlteach go deasaige. Domhnach Seachnaill teachta ríist ar nói panistar nó a conda ag conda na mí Robbie Brunnish fearbhíoch a pléile na Kilmachodan na Croquet, seo Unsí Bra coming up, Matthew Costello, or Matthew Gulroy, go me Glachan, or Neil Ferlar Parket on, Malishkel, Conor Gray, what's the trust of Shantar Cole, Todd Cole score, Wilsa. Tasha Fochek, Jared Rush. Jared Rush is in the Chachtas Jach, Augustin, the Coolah, Gamsha Galore score in the Gogonach Shachtel and Shaw. Chachtas Verlar Parket, Kevin Regan at top Tuckers Shahanish, Danny McCartan, agus a rí still Danny McCartan, Chitara, Athain, a John Galore, Domashta, Stihinchin. Zegolin Fos Atra, and Yon Coolchin, a General Zorok Shachtan Fall, Honik, Nev Loman Rashka Lodger. Sashi the Chachtar East, and Brancher Paddy Dowdall, Harva Sausage, Major Tafeke Gujisha. The Verlar Porkinish, so the John Heston, John Acassa Hart, John Hart Trastan, August Liu Fioni Smoo, Loch Lantony, Loman or Amchin and Farshaw score. Aka Arish, Kevin Regan Shear, John Heston Arish, past Lava, Fatarashik John, John Morrigleyhan, Dorfi scored, Nihanil in his parade, Immerlich and Yasoga, no Pellador Kamara, John Heston, Neil throw that either. On to Spórt the shot on the Loman. There's now the Yarnoch Shades, Bua Slachter, a Currahit in Iarmhí.
Trying to get ourselves back down to earth. We have another game to focus on, you know, but at the end of the day we prepared to come and win this game today, and we won the game. It's great with your club when you get outside the county and you're playing in the provincial championship to get a win on the road, so we're just delighted to you know, there's great ecstatic crowd there, so yeah, we're just happy to get the win. Get the bodies rested, get the recovery in, make sure we get the food and nutrition right and get the sleep right, so just yeah, bring it back down to earth and focus on that game. I think it's Casttown, and you know, we played them a couple of years ago and they're a damn good side, so we're going to have to put up to them as well, you know.